Hey guys, so the most common question asked in performance marketing is what are conversion events, what are the different types of events, and how do you improve your campaigns using these conversion events. So, to sum it up, your campaigns are as good as your conversion events that you set up. Why do I say so? Let's dive into it. So, as a performance marketer, you might have commonly faced the issue where most of your campaigns are limited by budget, learning limited, so on, and you would see a downtrend in your campaign performance. This is not only seen in Google but also on Facebook. You might have seen this learning limit in your delivery tab. And often, if not learning limited, you might have faced this issue where your campaigns are in learning forever and you're not able to record enough conversions for your campaigns to get out of learning phase. So let's talk more about conversions, right? So what are conversion events? So conversion events are classified into a few categories. Let's start with the top of the funnel, go into the bottom of funnel. So at the top, we count as page views. Page views can also count as conversion events if you set it so. All page views, all clicks, sessions can be counted as conversion events in your Google and Meta Manager. Followed by which are the website conversions. These are website events, clicks, button clicks, form fills. These would come under this category. Then there is form submit. Once a user submits the form and the thank you page loads in, you can create the thank you page visit as a conversion event so that you are 100% sure that this person has filled up a lead form. And lastly are offline conversions. Let's talk about offline in a few minutes, but these are the 4 conversions categories that we'll be talking about today. So to give you a better experience of how this conversion event works, every view, if a user comes on your landing page, it's a landing page conversion. If a user clicks on the join now button or any CTA that you might have on your landing page, you can map that as a conversion into your Google and Meta managers, followed by a thank you page submission. And then there's the last one where like the offline conversion, where you update your CRM lead, which is either qualified or sales qualified lead. You pass it as a conversion event to the respective ad managers. So if we talk about conversions, click conversions, all good bad clicks are a part of these conversions. Even the form fills, the form fills that might be correct, that might be wrong, would be a part of your campaign learning. And how does your campaign optimize? The primary base of optimization of your campaign is basis the from which it learns from. So what Facebook and Google ideally do is, if a certain set of audience is converting better, if a certain set of keywords are converting better, it will start pushing more and more money to that particular keyword in hopes that you might get better conversion. Hence, you might have seen Google's Google Ads optimization strategy where it maximizes conversion or maximizes conversion value. How does it maximize on conversion? Basis the clicks that you pass. So we all have seen in our marketing journey somewhere or the other that most of the lead forms, forget about the clicks, right? The lead form submits are either researchers, competitors, students, random people trying to, loiter around on the internet, or worst case scenario, unfit customer profile. 80% of the leads are irrelevant. If you talk to a salesperson, he might say that this guy is not an ideal customer fit, he does not have enough money, his industry is different, or the size of the company is too small, so on and so forth. And only 20% fit the ICP, which are qualified enough for the sales people to engage in a conversation with. So what do you do, right? That means 80% of the data that you send via conversion events to your Google Ads is incorrect, and Google Ads or Meta Ads for that matter will keep on optimizing on wrong conversions. And would it give you better results? It would simply mean that you're sending in garbage and getting out garbage. And that has often troubled me a lot as a performance marketer, right? With only 20% data, the rest, even when you create a lookalike, it will give you a lot of junk data, right? So how do you optimize for that? So what we have done is we have developed a product in-house that I would like to showcase to you. So when we talk about conversions, right, all conversions are a part. So if you're sending, most of the conversions are wrong, you're just putting in garbage in, garbage out approach. What we have done is we have developed a tool that helps you train and filter databases your ideal customer. So you can manually remove or automate it to identify what is your right ICP, what are the fit customers and unfit customers, and only send the data of fit customer to the Google Ads and Meta Ads manager. The best part about this is that you don't even need to wait for lead form submits. All this happens with clicks, right? If a user visits the platform, we start identifying it, enriching his data to identify if they are an ideal customers or not. And basis the clicks data, you then go further and optimize your campaign. So what this does is it helps you escape the learning phases faster from your campaigns and helps you optimize your campaign better, because now your campaign is not learning on 80% junk but 80% valuable data, which in turn snowballs into effect where it keeps on giving you a better audience and improving your CAC and overall conversions. This is where we have created Qualified Lead Accelerator, right? This is a tool that helps you identify the noise and hunt the right ICP. Not just hunt the right ICP, but improve your campaigns such that they perform better and better with each click that you send or each visit that you send on your website. So the overall logic has always been for us that if you send in garbage, if you train your campaigns on wrong leads, it would give you wrong outcomes further down the optimization journey. So simply hunt for the right ICP, right? Fulfill your optimization process by sending visit data of your right ICP. Disqualify all the ICPs or all the leads or even the visits at the stage which are not your ideal customers, and only send your ideal customers. What it does is it will train your platform better and you will get faster and faster results, and at a point you will be at such a stage where your campaigns are highly optimized and efficient in terms of giving you quality leads. And what it will do is it will help you reduce your spends, get you better leads and more qualified leads from your sales team. So yeah, that's the Qualified Lead Accelerator for you. Feel free to visit our website and join the waitlist. We are excited and can't wait. Thanks for watching.